So when you're using a screw that has a long section that's not threaded, if you've sunk past that and your tip, like if we missed the wood and we're in drywall, so your drywall is going to stop like in here, so there's no threads to help you pull out. So if you take your needle nose or a screwdriver or whatever and you put pressure on the back of them while you pull out, and not your fingers so you don't die. But yeah, if you just put pressure on the back, especially with this tapered head, with the tapered head like that, even if you're sunk flush up tight, if you can just get in behind it and you can put any weight on it, it's going to naturally pull out. And then as soon as you hit the threads, it comes out by itself.
Sweet.